Hi everyone. I have been playing with ChatGPT the last couple weeks. This morning I was making a video about generating user personas, and I thought it would be fun to take that one step further and see if I can get ChatGPT to give me some user stories. So this person, the app, let me go back up to my thing. So create a UX persona for a 20-something college grad who's a movie buff and wants to share top Sundance Film Festival movies. So it's for a video sharing app. So let's just start with a prompt. Can you generate UX user stories for an app for me? I like to be nice to my ChatGPT. Sure. Let's see. Here are some examples. Very cool. Okay, so it's giving me examples. As a busy professional, I want an app that can help me organize my schedule. Okay, great. I'm going to say stop. I'll say, please generate 25 user stories. Should I say, yeah, I'll just say 25 user stories. It knows that we're talking about UX user stories for an app. Let's see, a movie. I'm going to say, and I'm changing my mind, an independent movie streaming app that, I close my video, that allows users to stream movies, create playlists, and share playlists with their friends. It also lets them favorite movies and see movies with similar subjects, directors, or casts. How's that? Good. Let's see what I get. Sweet. As a movie lover, I want to browse through a wide selection of independent movies so that I can discover new and exciting films. As a busy professional, I want to be able to create playlists of my favorite independent movies so I can watch them whenever I have free time. As a social person, I want to share my movie playlist with friends so they can watch and discuss our favorite independent films together. As an enthusiast, I want to be able to favorite independent movies so I can keep track of the ones I want to watch. As a person who values diversity, I want to be able to filter movies by subject matter so that I can find movies that represent different perspectives. Social justice, it's going fast. Movie buff, similar to the ones I've already watched. Wide selection of independent documentary films. Let's see. I want to be able to rate and review independent movies so I can share my thoughts. Read reviews and rate independent movies so I can make informed decisions. I want to be able to customize my profile settings so I can control who can see my activity. I want to see my viewing history so that I remember what I watched. A person who values accessibility. I want to be able to adjust the subtitles and audio settings. That's great. I didn't even give it that prompt. Who values convenience. I want to be able to download movies for offline viewing. Okay. I want to be able to stream movies in high definition. I want to be able to leave comments on movies so I can engage in discussions. I want to be able to search for movies by title so I can quickly find the movie I'm looking for. Able to filter movies by country of origin. I like to explore different themes. I want to be able to filter movies by specific subjects. It's thinking. I've slowed it down. That's great. This is like kind of the natural process, right? Like once you get down to the bottom of the list, you're like, oh, what else? I want to be able to access behind the scene footage and interviews with directors. This is great. who likes to keep up with latest trends. I want to be able to access a selection of recently released independent movies. Let's see. With the latest independent releases. As a person. If it stops, you can just type in continue and it will keep chugging away. As a user, I want to be able to, I think it didn't like that last one. Quickly find movies that match my interests. Filter my search results by release date, rating, and other criteria. View trailers and movies before I watch them. List of recently added movies so I can stay up to date. Access customer support easily. Awesome. Okay, so this is a pretty fantastic list. It's even, let's see, it's comma separated, so you should be able to what am I saying? Import this into a spreadsheet of your choice. It does look like, yeah, with my friends, so that I can watch blah, 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 so that I can keep. Yep, it looks like each one has just 2 commas, so you can do a comma separated import, which is fantastic. So I think I'm going to share this with my students and add it to their user stories prompt and save them some more time. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm really loving ChatGPT for UX inspiration and just going deeper than I might be able to do on my own. So yeah, thanks for watching.